Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to another video of our 100 projects with JavaScript journey. In today's video, we're gonna see a very simple project. What we're gonna do in our project is, if we click on this copy button, it will copy this this text of ours. So let's what is the usage of this project actually? You'll see in many e-commerce sites, or where or many learning management systems, learning management sites. You'll see that if there's any offer going on, and they are offering some a bit of discount if you have certain coupons, and if you click on any button, you can copy that coupon without selecting it, and then right clicking it, and then doing then copying it, or selecting it and then pressing Ctrl+C. All you just have to do there is press on the copy button, and it will copy that code of yours, that coupon code of yours. Okay, so let's see if it works now. Let me just copy it now and see. Right now I only copied this discount wi. Okay, but if I press on this copy button, it will copy this as a coupon code, blah blah blah. And now I'm pressing Ctrl+V here. See, we already copied. This is a coupon code, and these numbers. Okay, now let's see how we can do this in our code. So since we're going to do our JavaScript from scratch, I'm just going to remove all these first and start from the beginning. In our HTML file, you'll see that there's a button, and it has a class name named btn, and we have an input field. Where our value, we are gonna copy this value. We can put something else here. We can write this is our first time trying it. Okay, and we are gonna put this in our placeholder too. Okay, and we're gonna copy this thing, trying it. Sorry. Okay, let's see if it changed or not. Reload. See, this is our first time trying it. We're gonna copy it and do our stuffs. So first of all, use that this input field of ours has a class name named coupon. So right now we have to get this coupon and this button in our JavaScript. So let's declare some variables. Let let coupon is equal to document dot query selector, query commander but query selector. We're gonna get it using the coupon class name. Okay. Next we have our button, btn equal to document dot query selector, get it using the btn class name. Okay, now we have to add an event listener on our btn. So before that, let's create a function named, since we are gonna our function like the project we're gonna do is click to copy. We can write click to copy and name our function this, and here e dot prevent default. Okay, done. Now we have to tell our code that when this click to copy function is gonna get called, when we click on this btn. So btn dot add event listener, click. Our event is click, and when it's clicking, it will call this click to copy function. Okay, done. Now what we have to do is, we have to select and copy this value, this input field's value of ours. All right, so for that, there's a built-in JavaScript method that is select. All we have to do is coupon dot select. Now we are done selecting it. Okay, we are done selecting it. Now what we have to do is, we have to tell our code that the thing you selected, you have to copy it. So for that, there's another JavaScript built-in function which is exact command. Okay, exact command, exact command. For that, we have to use a document. We have to copy the document dot exact command, and we with this exact command we can only do a few things, like bolding the text we have selected, or copying it, or some and a few more. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna copy it. Okay, okay, so we are actually done now. Now let's call this function outside. Now let's see if it works or not. Okay, reload it. Okay, now before I copy this, let me just copy this, and I'll show you guys that okay, 25% is now what we copied. Now let's click on this copy. We are done copying it, and let me see if it works. Control V. See, we are done copying it. This is our first time trying it. We are done copying it. Now you guys might notice that when I first showed you guys this project, after clicking on this copy, and after it is done copying, it showed copied instead of copy. Okay, so what we can do to change this is, after we are done copying it, we can change the text content of our btn. So btn dot text content, we can set that to copied. Okay, copied. Done. Let's see if it works. Reload. Copy. See, it shows copied. And another thing that you'll see you'll notice, when I first showed you this project, after some time this copied copied text went back to copy. Okay, so for that we have to use our set timeout function. So we can say that after 1 second or 3 seconds, things the btn's text will go back to copy. What we have to do is, okay, btn dot text content is equal to copy, back to copy. And when after, I'll say 2 seconds. Okay, so that means 2000 milliseconds. Done. Let's see, reload, copy. It shows copied, and after 2 seconds, see, it went back to copy. So this is a very simple practice project to practice JavaScript. Try this out, and you guys can also implement it in bigger projects that you're gonna do in future. So keep practicing it, and you can share the live link of it in the comment box down below, and I'll share the code. I'll share the main code in my GitHub repository, and I'll provide a GitHub repository in the description box. So keep tuned and wait for more amazing projects. That's it for today. Assalamu alaikum.